guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all 2 scalp tonics that is great for hair growth, preventing hair loss, and promoting healthy scalp. And this hair tonic is great to use, especially if you have oily scalp, because this is not going to make your scalp oily. And also this hair tonic can also be used as a leave-in scalp treatment. So if you all are interested, then let's get started. So for the first recipe, we will be using ginger root. Now ginger contains magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and fatty acids, which helps prevent hair thinning and it promotes stronger hair. It also has some active ingredients called gingerol that helps relax blood vessels, and thereby it improves the circulation of the blood. So this allows for the improved nourishment of hair follicles, thus it promotes faster hair growth. And then I will add some essential oils from my Young Living Essential Oils collection. I actually use these oils for almost everything. I diffuse some of them, and some of them I added on my skincare and hair care routine. So today I will be using the frankincense essential oil, and this oil is great at promoting healthy scalp and moisturizing existing hair follicles to prevent and treat hair loss. And actually I found out that this is generally used to help and prevent hair loss, as well as stimulate hair growth when applied topically to the scalp. This also contains vitamin E that nourishes and strengthens the hair from within. And then I paired this oil with a peppermint oil. This oil has a cooling and a refreshing sensation when applied to the scalp, and it can also help stimulate hair growth because of its ability to increase blood circulation around the scalp. And when blood is flowing, the nutrients from your body can feed your hair follicles more effectively. Okay, so now I will peel off the skin of the ginger, and then I will cut it into small pieces, and I will put it all in a blender, and then I will add in water to dilute it so that it's not going to be too strong on the scalp, and then blend it. Now once it's done, it's going to look something like this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and filter out the juice. And then I will start adding in the frankincense oil, and I will put about 5 drops of it. And then for the peppermint oil, I will add in 4 drops. Mix it, and that is done. Now moving on to the second recipe, I will be using a potato this time. Now the juice of the potato contains vitamin B, vitamin C, zinc, niacin, iron, which nourishes hair follicles and promotes hair growth, and also helps cleanse the scalp and unclogs hair follicles that can sometimes hinder your hair growth. And then for this one, I will add in the lavender essential oil. Now this oil is great for stimulating hair growth. It has some antimicrobial properties, so it prevents dandruff and it promotes healthy scalp. And the next one that I'm using is lemon essential oil. Now this oil is not only going to give your scalp tonic a nice citrus aroma, but it also helps in growing your hair as well as reducing overly greasy hair. Alright, so in here I will once again peel off the skin of the potatoes and then cut them into cubes, and then I'll put them in a blender, add in some water, just about that much, and then blend away. Same thing, I will filter out the juice of the potato. And once that is done, I will add in about 5 drops of the lavender essential oil and then 4 drops of the lemon oil and mix it. Okay, so after that, I then store them into this little bottle containers for easy application. I also sometimes put them in the refrigerator to lengthen its shelf life. And also I like to apply it cold on my scalp sometimes, so that's it. So this is what they look like. So as I've said, I really like putting them in the refrigerator before using them because I really like how it gives that nice cooling sensation in the scalp, especially when you use the ginger one, because it has peppermint in it, so it does give your scalp a very cooling effect. Alright, so what you do with this is you just simply go ahead and spray this directly on your scalp. You can actually use this as is or pour it on your scalp, but I really do suggest to at least use a sprayer because you can easily just spray this all over your scalp. As I've said, you can leave this on, so at night leave this on your scalp, and in the morning you can simply wash it off. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!